Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uday Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this video we'll learn about basically how the chiller system work and its piping, how its piping done, and even chiller pumps including primary and secondary and condenser pumps. Okay, so before start the session, I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. As you know that chiller, so chiller is the system, refrigeration system. It is two type of chiller: air cooled chiller and water cooled chiller. So here we will discuss about water cooled chiller. Okay, so this is the part of, we can say, HVAC, heating, ventilation and air conditioning. So as you can see over here we have a 3-nose water cooled chilling machine, or we can say chiller. Here what have done designer, it is designed for 2 working and 1 standby. Each chiller capacity is 225, okay, 225 TR, ton of refrigeration. So here this is chiller, okay, water cooled chiller. If we talk about its major parts, so it has a condenser. So this part is a, below part is a condenser and upper part is a chiller, which is actually evaporator. Okay, so this system, this chiller will only chill the water, not a heating mode. So here we have a, how many chillers? 1, then 2, then 3. And now let's come to its piping. So here as you can see, so this is the actually outlet points, where this is the part of evaporator, where we have a, actually inside it we have a coil. Okay, through coil water will flow, and beside it we have a refrigerant like R410A or else. Okay, so with the help of, if you know, if you talk about refrigeration cycle, so we'll discuss it in later video. So here with the help of refrigeration, this water tube is cooled by refrigerant. So here if we talk about its cycle, its piping, so this is actually outlet connection of evaporator, where from where chilled water out. So this is the flexible connector or bellow, we can say. And then here we have a drain point of this outlet line, okay, supply line towards the our HVAC units like FCU, AHU, TFA. So FCU means fan coil unit, and then air handling unit, TFA, treated fresh air units. So this water, chilled water, will goes to FCU, then AHU, so all HVAC units. So if you talk about its components in the pipeline, so this is the drain point actually, and then here we have a pressure gauge meter. We can observe the pressure of this water supply line, and this is the thermometer, where we can observe the temperature of this outgoing evaporator outgoing line. Then this is the valve, this is the balancing valve. Actually during the water balance it will help us. So this is the balancing valve. Then we have a motorized valve over here. So this is the motorized valve actuator, we can say. With the help of BMS it will control. And then this is the manual valve, okay, gate valves. Then if you trace the pipe over here, it will goes to this point, okay, and then it will, if we trace the pipelines, so here it will goes to secondary pump. So in this design there are two zones, one zone for public zone and another zone for guest zone. So basically this system is for hotel building, that's why. So this chilled water outcoming from evaporator output, it goes to the suction of secondary pump. So this pump will actually take the chilled water and it supplies to the all units like AHU, air handling units, then FCU or TFA. Okay, so if we talk about its fitting, so it fitting here, this is the pump, its suction side, we can see over here, this is the valve, butterfly valve or gate valve, then we have a strainer, then we have a pressure gauge meter, then again we have a bellow which is flexible rubber bellow. So actually this will help to prevent from vibration transfer from pump to pipeline. So it will not allow the vibration towards the pipeline. Then its discharge size of secondary pump. So here we have again flexible rubber bellow, then again here pressure gauge meter, here we have a NRV non-return valve, then again we have a butterfly valve or gate valve, then it goes to header. So this header is for guest zone. So here we have a two nose pump. Its pump capacity is 600 GPM, gallon per minute. Okay, so one is working and another is standby. So if you trace this pipe, it will go to where? If you look like here, so this is the actually supply line. So chilled water is with the help of this secondary pump, chilled water taken from evaporator output line and then it will supply to the units. So if we trace this pipeline, so this pipe size is actually 150 dia, it means 6 inches pipe. So chilled water supply pipe, guest zone. So this is chilled water supply pipe. If we trace this from here, so it is taken tap off and it goes to where? If we trace, here we have a valve, then let's trace this and over here. So over here we have a 1 units, 3 tier FCU fan coil units. So up to here, so from here again we can take branches and over here this goes to supply coil of this 3 tier FCU unit. So this is actually cooling coil supply, and from this trace 1 unit, so it will clear to us from. So this is supplied chilled water supply, then this again, this is return line of this FCU. So this is the return line. So water enters from here, then it leaves from here, from the coil. Now again this is the return line. So over here again we have a balancing valve or actuator, then again valve in return line, and it will goes to the this is the actually riser. Okay, this is chilled water supply riser and this is chilled water return pipe. Okay, chilled water return pipe. So from here it goes to the unit, and from here it will return to over here. So always it has a temperature difference, but it should not be more than 5 degrees Celsius delta T, even in 100% load condition at the chiller. So over here, so this is actually chilled water return, and from here it will goes, if you follow the direction, towards this header. So this header is actually, so here we have a chilled line water makeup system with the booster pump. If water get load in this closed loop, it will adapt automatically. So this return line actually comes, and this is a port strainer, and this is bypass line. So during the cleaning we can open this bypass line, and then can use this bypass line without interruption during the cleaning. So it will transfer like this, and it goes to where? Suction of the primary pumps. So here we have one more pump added, which one is primary pumps. Okay, so here we have 3 nodes of primary pumps. Its capacity is 440 GPM. So 2 is working and 1 is standby. So what is the use of these pumps? Actually it will take the water supply, chilled return supply line, and it will give to this evaporator. So from here it in, and then from output of this primary pumps it will goes to the header, and then it will enter into the evaporator in. Okay, so here evaporator in. So if you talk about its pump, so secondary pump actually it will take chilled water from the evaporator output, and it will supply to the units, air conditioning units like HVAC, TFA and AHU. Then primary pump actually take the chilled water return from the units, and it will supply to the evaporator inputs of the chiller. So here, so again this water is over here like 7 degrees Celsius output, then over here 11 degrees. That means this 11 degree again enter into the evaporator, and it is cooled by the refrigeration, and then again it will output like 6 degrees Celsius, and it will goes again to the units for chilling purpose in respective area. So in this way it will work. So in this video we have only discussed about evaporator side. In next video we will discuss about condenser side. Okay, so hope you guys understand about basically how the chiller system work, and how to read the drawings of the HVAC system and chilling line. And even we also discuss about what is the function of primary and secondary chiller pumps. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you will get notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. See you again in next video.